In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Midjourney to help you design logos and get inspiration. So first of all, what you want to do is come up to here, go to Google, and you want to go to PromptBase. It's promptbase.com. Now, up here, we want to type in logo. And basically what PromptBase is, it's going to give you different prompts that you can put into Midjourney. So you might want to be more specific. So let's say we want to do iOS logo. We're creating an iOS logo for an app. We want to type it in, go to Midjourney here, and you can see here it's given us some examples of what you could have for logos. Now some of these aren't the best, but you could definitely use these for inspiration. So if I just type in logo, we can see what other options they have. See, they have a ton of different options here. Now let's say you like this style here, you can click on it. And from here, you can go to get prompt, and that's going to send you to a page, a Stripe page, and you can buy this prompt. It only costs $3.99. And then from this, what you're going to be able to do is put it into Midjourney, and it's going to give you instructions on how to change it. And you're going to be able to generate your own logos, which are in this kind of style, but they're going to be customized to your needs. So it's a very, very, very useful tool. Now, there's a ton of uses for this. You could just create a logo straight up in Midjourney and be done with it. Or you could just use it for inspiration, and that could help you get some ideas for making logos. Now, this is an extremely viable business option if you wanted to put it on Upwork or Fiverr or something like that. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.